Hi, I'm Richard Minchin. I've been developing web applications several years ago. In those days, PHP frameworks did not even exist yet. I've seen PHP evolve into a solid object-oriented development environment with a huge community. There are several frameworks in the market, some are overly complicated while some lack essential features. Therefore, choosing the right framework is probably one of the most important decisions you will make before starting your development work. In this course, I am going to talk about one of the most popular PHP framework in the market, Laravel. Laravel helps you to organize your codes with pre-built components and functions and thus shorten your development time. I will show you how to install Composer, Laravel, set up essential paths, generate a new Laravel application, running your own server and display the application on a web browser. Without further ado, let's get started. In this lesson, we will talk about how to install Laravel onto your Mac. For Windows users, the concept and steps are similar. You can follow the Laravel and Composer website for instructions on how to do this for Windows. Laravel utilizes Composer to manage its dependencies. So, before using Laravel, make sure you have Composer installed on your machine. In the next video, I will show you how to install Composer. We will begin to install Composer. Open the terminal from your Mac. Copy the first line and paste it on the terminal and hit enter. Copy the second line and paste it on the terminal and hit enter. Copy the third line and paste it on the terminal and hit enter. Copy the fourth line and paste it on the terminal and hit enter. To verify if Composer has been successfully installed, type php composer.phar. You have now successfully installed Composer. Now this step is very important. Move the composer.phar file to the path of your Mac like so. Once you have done that, you can now execute the Composer command from anywhere on the Mac. We will now install Laravel using the Composer command. At the terminal, type Composer global require Laravel/installer. Now Laravel has been successfully installed. Now that Laravel has been installed, it is time to set the path correctly so that Laravel can be executed from anywhere on the Mac. First, we create a bash profile using the touch command. If you already have the bash profile file in your system, you may skip this step. Now edit the file using vi command. You can use any editor of your choice. For simple tasks like this, I find it easier to use vi. Type this into the file, save and exit the editor. To save the file, press the escape key. Then colon. Then type WQ, and hit enter to save the file and quit the editor. You can confirm if the file is edited using the cat command like so. Execute the bash profile using the source command like so. Now type Laravel. If you see the response similar to this, the path is updated correctly. You can now execute the Laravel command anywhere from your Mac. Now let's create a new Laravel application using the Laravel command. At the terminal, type Laravel new blog, where blog is the name of your project. You can call it any name you like. The new application has been successfully created. To view the new app, cd to the folder. Type PHP Artisan Serve. By default, the port is set to 8000. Now open up your browser and type http://localhost:8000. You now have a new app running on your server. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to produce more videos frequently.